Hey, what's up, guys? This is a 2017 Toyota Highlander. My buddy's girlfriend decided to hit the Digitizer with a coconut. It was just, something that was hanging on the mirror. And I decided to take a shot at it and replace it for him. Digitizer was purchased on eBay. For how much?
$250.
$250.
With shipping.
With shipping. So first step is to remove the panels. First, you take off the trim here with a panel popper. You get the black trim around the radio, the two vents, and then the 4 bolts holding in the radio. If you need to check that out, you can find that by searching on YouTube. Next is to pull the radio out, and you will see that there are 4 screws holding the metal trim around the black trim. As soon as you pop these off, you take a panel popper and you just pry off around the corners. Let's not forget that there's a piece of tape here that you have to remove in order to access that one screw back here. Just pry it off, and that's the last one. It's very hidden. It took me a while to figure it out, but you get that, and the whole thing pops off. Once you remove all 5 screws, you pry it back and you unclip these ribbons right there. You have what looks like to be an antenna right there. We got this ribbon, the Digitizer ribbon, and this other ribbon. You take off these 4 screws, remove this plate, remove this other ribbon, and then you have 4 screws on all the corners holding in the Digitizer. It isn't glued in, just held in by this bracket. You pull it off. Well, let's take that off. You pull it off, and it just sits on top of the screen, the LCD screen, held in with that trim. As you can see, this one was hit right here, and as soon as I pulled it off, it pretty much shattered. But it's not held in with any glue, so you could just peel it off and it comes right out. You take the new one and you place it into the plastic mold that's right there that holds it right into place. The kit that came with the Digitizer came also with a pair of white gloves, so you can wipe it clean and make sure you don't get any lint on the back side of the screen. As you can see, screws are back in, ribbons are all back in, and all you have to do is put it back together the way you found it and pop it back in. Hope this helps you guys out.